How do you choose a sliding door wardrobe or a sliding door? What should you pay attention to the first time while choosing a sliding door wardrobe or a sliding door? Often we fall for the facade of a design. In fact, we forget all about the main things. The base of any sliding door wardrobe or sliding door is furniture fittings, the top tracks, the bottom tracks, different kinds of profile and frames. A lot of dishonest manufacturers mislead us to think that it's all together. Furniture fittings hold the weight of the door, which can be up to 80 kilograms depending in size and filling materials. Cheap furniture fittings won't cope with this weight and will become deformed. As a result, the extraneous noise and breakage can easily happen. Let's have a look at the structure of the sliding system. There are two different kinds of this vertical profile. One of the most widespread is Profile C. Noticing the difference between profiles displayed at the furniture market is not enough. Aristo profiles are thicker. They have better rigidity reverse. Let's try to bend them and find out. You can see the difference. Also, you should pay attention to the uniformity of the covering, the quality of the anodizing and the wrapping with PVC film. The construction materials of the Aristo sliding wardrobe doors are thick. Section anodized profiles are used. The door frames and track sections are 1.2 millimeters thick, and they have stiffeners too. Thanks to that, the top track doesn't become deformed and the caster wheels slide smoothly and silently. It makes the difference between the two and the cheap products of competitors. You can bend the top track without any effort. Aristo high-quality furniture fittings create the possibility of making doors up to 3.2 meters high and 1.5 meters in width. One of the main qualities of sliding wardrobe doors is smooth and silent sliding. The bottom caster wheel is made with a high-quality metal bearing. It doesn't require greasing while ensuring silent and smooth door sliding. You can't say the same thing about competitors. The top caster wheels are made of high-endurance plastic. Currently, Aristo caster wheels are considered to be among the best of their kind. The swinging door mechanism and tracks can endure up to 110,000 opening and closing cycles within the span of their life. Every caster wheel is protected from fakes with protective film including an Aristo logo. Thanks to the low height of the lower track and the hidden caster wheel mechanism, the doors can be used as interior doors and divider partitions. In addition, locks and the soft closing mechanism can be installed on the Aristo sliding system. The Aristo sliding system can be equipped with door locks and door closers.